Hello everyone, it's Alex and welcome back to my Refresh and Rejuvenate yoga series. Today's class is going to be your full body gentle workout. So it's not going to be anything super intense. We're just going to be building some heat and fire throughout the whole body. Again, you need no equipment, just a mat and a little bit of floor space. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. If you are unable to join me for this video right now, go ahead and save it to your watch later. That way you can come back and join me whenever you have time. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started seated at the very backs of our mats. We're going to start in a child's pose just to get us nice and centered and ready for this very gentle workout. So go ahead and bring your knees mat distance apart. Taking a big deep breath as you reach your arms up towards the sky. And on your exhale, slowly start to walk your hands forward, coming into your child pose, sinking your tailbone down, reaching your hands forward, feeling that nice stretch through the shoulders, and then letting your forehead rest on the mat. Gently close your eyes so that we can start to find our center, focusing on our breath, taking just nice, normal, even breaths here. So inhaling through the nose and exhaling out through the mouth. And again, just keep reaching those hands towards the top of your mat so that you create a nice length through your spine. There we go. Taking a big deep inhale. And exhale, let it all go. And again, one more big deep breath. And exhale, let it go. Nice. On your next inhale, go ahead and walk your hands back up towards your center. Go ahead and bring your knees together, coming into a all fours position. So bring in your hands right underneath your shoulders, your knees right underneath your hips. Again, just finding some length through your spine, engaging through your core, taking a big deep breath. And exhale, let it go. And again, another big deep breath. And exhale, go ahead and tuck your toes. We're going to gently send our hips up high, coming into our first downward dog. So again, take this nice and slow. Especially if this is your first downward dog of the day, we want to make sure that we're feeling all those muscles and having a nice stretch behind our legs. So go ahead and inhale here. And as you exhale, slowly press your tailbone up towards the sky. If you need to keep a small bend in your knees as you push your heels down into the mat, please do so. And then from here, go ahead and drop that head down, push your hands into the mat, shoulders are coming down towards your tailbone. And then if you can, go ahead and see if you can straighten your legs. Pushing those heels down, feeling that full stretch. Our first downward dog of the day. I know it might feel a little bit more tense for some people, so if you need to walk it out on the spot, go ahead and do that. Good, and then from here, go ahead and push both heels down to the mat, taking a big deep breath through the nose. And exhale, let it all go. Good. From here, go ahead and ripple forward into your high plank. Again, just starting to engage through the abdominal muscles. So taking a big deep breath here. And exhale, let it go. One more big deep breath. And on your exhale, you're slowly going to drop down towards your knees. Squeeze your elbows in, lowering your chest and your chin. And then reaching your head forward, coming into your upward facing dog. Lifting up through your heart center, opening up through your back. And then go ahead and bend your knees again, push back into your child's pose. Good. From here, go ahead and ripple back forward, tuck your toes, send your hips up high, coming into your downward dog. Very nice. Let out a big exhale once you get here. And on your inhale, go ahead and send that left leg up high to the sky, taking a big deep breath. Good. Exhale, bring your knee into your chest, squeezing through the abdominal muscles. Coming into your high plank. Squeeze it in, and then inhale, reach your leg back up towards the sky. Good. Exhale, bring your knee back in, stepping through in between your hands. You're going to turn that back foot out so that's parallel with the back of the mat. On your inhale, you're gonna windmill your arms up, coming into your warrior two. So you're bending that left knee, opening up through the hips. You're squeezing your heels together so you can engage through your inner thighs, and then reaching your arms out to the side, looking over your left fingertips. Take a big deep inhale here, and then bend your left knee a little bit more. Just gonna hold this warrior two, starting to feel some fire coming in through our legs. Taking another big deep inhale. And exhale, sink a little deeper. Good, one more big deep inhale. Exhale, go ahead and straighten your front leg. You're gonna bump your hips to the back of the mat, reaching those left fingertips forward, and then reaching down towards the mat as you send your right fingertips up, coming into your triangle pose. So from here, I want you to feel like you're really lifting up through your top hand. You're not resting your left hand on the ground. Your left hand has no weight in it. It's nice and free. And you're stacking your hips on top of each other, lifting your chest up towards the sky, feeling this nice twist and opening through the full body here. Taking a big deep inhale and an exhale. Again, keep reaching those fingertips up towards the sky. One more big deep breath and exhale. From here, slowly bend your front knee again, coming back into your warrior two. And then reach your left fingertips up to the sky this time, bringing your right hand down, coming into our peaceful warrior. Looking up towards the sky, again, feeling that nice big chest opening here. And exhale, coming back into your warrior two. Take a big deep breath. And exhale, sink a little deeper. Hopefully you're starting to feel your legs, muscles turning on. From here, you're going to lift your back heel up off the mat and slowly turn on your back toes, coming into your crescent lunge, reaching your arms up to the sky, sinking your tailbone down. Keeping that left knee nice and bent, extending through the back leg. Take a big deep inhale here. And exhale, slowly bring your hands back down towards the mat. From here, send that left leg back up into your one-legged dog, feeling that nice stretch. Exhale, bring your foot down, ripple through to your high plank. And then exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Very nice. Let out a big deep breath once you get here. We're going to repeat that on the other side. So on your inhale, go ahead and reach your right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend that knee, squeeze it in towards your chest, high plank. And exhale, send your leg up high. Good, bring your foot back in between your hands. We're coming onto our warrior two on the other side. So again, turning your foot out so it's parallel with the back of the mat. Finding your balance, so engaging your core. You're gonna windmill your arms back up, coming into your warrior two on your right side. So this time you can see the back. I want you to see that I'm squeezing my shoulder blades together and my tailbone is going straight down towards the mat. Take a big deep inhale once we get here. And exhale, sink it even deeper. Good, and another big deep inhale. And exhale, sink a little deeper. Really feel like you're trying to squeeze your heels together so that you can really ignite through those inner thighs. One more big deep breath. And exhale, sink a little deeper. Good. From here, straightening your front leg, bumping your hips to the back of the mat as you reach that right hand forward, bringing your fingertips down, coming into your triangle pose. Reaching those left fingertips up towards the sky. I feel like you're trying to pull your right hand out from the mat. Staying nice and tall and lifted through your abdominal muscles. You should feel this a little bit in your obliques as well. Taking a big deep inhale. And an exhale. One more big deep breath. Exhale, go ahead and rebend that front leg, coming back into your warrior two. And then inhale, reach that right arm up towards the sky, coming into your peaceful warrior. Good, reach back, coming back into your warrior two. Take in one more big deep breath. Exhale, sink a little deeper. And then from here, go ahead and lift the back heel up off the mat, turning on your back toes, coming into your high lunge. So squaring off those hips to the front of the mat, keeping that right leg bent, sending your arms up towards the sky. Take a big deep inhale here. Exhale, slowly bring your hands down back to the mat, stepping your right leg back up into that one-legged dog. Take a big deep inhale. Exhale, go ahead and bring your toes down. Ripple through into your high plank. Inhale here. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, lifting that chest up towards the sky. Exhale, pushing back into your downward dog. Let out a big deep breath once you get here. Good, and then from here, we're gonna slowly start to get into some ab work. So again, nothing too intense today. This is just to really get some fire running through your body. So we're gonna do just a couple things to really engage through our abdominal muscles. So on your next inhale, go ahead and ripple forward into your high plank, making sure your hands are right underneath your shoulders. Go ahead and step your feet out so that they're about mat width distance apart. We're gonna come into our shoulder taps. So you're gonna tap your shoulders, hand to your opposite shoulder, trying to keep your hips nice and still. Good, we got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Bring your feet back together. Push your hips up high, coming back into your downward dog. Taking a big deep breath and an exhale. From here, go ahead and ripple forward again. We're going to come into some really slow mountain climbers. So you're going to bring your knees in towards your chest, holding it there, stepping back for 1. Bring it in and back for 2. Keep going. For 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Keep going. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Send your hips up high again, taking a big deep breath. Exhale once you get here. Good, taking another big deep breath. Exhale, go ahead and ripple forward back into your high plank. You're gonna slowly lower down into your chaturanga. So bringing your elbows in for 3, 2, and 1. Lift up, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Let out a big deep breath once you get here. Good, and then we're gonna do our mountain climbers just one more time, just to really fire up our abs. So on your inhale, go ahead and ripple forward into your high plank. Exhale, go ahead and bring your knees into your chest for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Holding here, taking a big deep breath. And exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Let it all go here. Pushing your heels into the mat. Let out that big deep breath. Take in one more big deep inhale through the nose. And on your exhale, go ahead and lift your heels, bend your knees, coming back down into our child's pose. So untucking your back toes, reaching your hands forward, letting your forehead rest on the mat. Just slowing down your heart rate here, finding your breath, stretching your arms forward. Good. On your next inhale, go ahead and slowly walk your hands back up to your center. From here, just reach your arms up towards the sky. You're gonna bend your right elbow, pulling your right elbow behind your head, just feeling a nice stretch through the shoulders here. So just pulling that right elbow down with the left hand behind your head. Good. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Exhale, switch sides, so pulling the left elbow down behind your head, feeling that nice gentle stretch. Good. Inhale, reach both hands up. Exhale, bring your hands into prayer position. Slowly bringing your hands back down, bowing down and thanking yourself for such a wonderful, beautiful practice today. Thank you guys so much for watching today's class. If you like the outfit that I'm wearing today, you can find it located in the shelf below, and I hope to see you guys next time on the mat.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.